Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be some unboxings. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the boxes, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, there are two boxes. There is a larger box and there is a smaller box. So you can probably guess what type of item is in each. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this first item is an item that I already own in my collection. Not particularly me, but I have unboxed this particular bag before. So if you have been watching my channel for the last, I'll say 3 or 4 videos, you might have a clue what this bag is. So let's see. Okay, no surprise because like I said, I have unboxed this exact same bag in my collection. There is my packing slip. Oh, cool. And here is the bag, guys. So this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody in the color Sunset. And if you remember a couple of videos back, I unboxed the same exact bag for my daughter for her graduation gift, and I loved it so much that I ordered one of my own. So I'm not going to open this up just yet because I already have an unboxing on this bag. So for the sake of time, we won't unbag that one. And it did come with one of the newer dust bags. I love these dust bags here. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And I'm assuming that there is also a blue one on the inside of the bag. So now let's go to the smaller box. And you guys probably already know that this is an accessory. So let's just see what we have. And again, this is a smaller item. Okay. And here is what we have. So is my packing slip. I don't remember what this is called. Okay, so here she is, guys. This is just a medium wristlet, and I specifically bought it to pair with my Sunset bag, and frankly it could go with tons of bags in my collection. This is from the watercolor or Somerset collection. I will put a annotation in here somewhere so you know the exact name. But I thought that this would coordinate beautifully with the Sunset bag. So here is just a quick close-up, and it has some blues, some greens, and some yellows and some pinks. Absolutely cute little pouch, and it does come with a little wristlet strap here, a braided zipper pull, and the inside is just our basic red interior. Very cute. So let's put it side by side to the Sunset, and as you can see, absolutely beautiful. There is more yellow on the back. So guys, I thought that this would be a perfect accent to the Sunset crossbody. So again, if you have not checked out the unboxing of the Sunset Crossbody, I will put a link below so you can check out that video. And I also did a comparison of Sunset to Dandelion, so you can compare the two colors if you are trying to decide on which of these yellows to get. So again, guys, this is the Dooney Bourke medium wristlet in the watercolor pattern, and it has the lighter color trim, which I think is beautiful with this pattern. So anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. So guys, this is totally off topic, but it does refer back to my last video, which is titled 4 bags and a mask. I had a few of you asking to see the pouch that I made for the mask that I posted in my Facebook group, the Dooney Den. So here is the pouch really quick that I made to go with my mask. And this is just a very simple little pouch, guys. And here is the mask inside. And I am not going to handle this too much because I am sending it to a special friend and I don't want to touch the inside. But here is the mask here. And again, here is the little pouch that I made to go with it. So you just take your mask, you put it inside of the little pouch here, and voila, you have some protection for your mask to keep all of the nasty little germs away from your other items. So I just wanted to throw this in really quick while I was on camera. So anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.